Why does your scanner show the P0104 engine code? What does it mean? P0104 is a diagnostic trouble code for mass or volume airflow circuit intermittent. This engine code indicates that this sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, and when its output is inconsistent, the vehicle's computer cannot accurately calculate fuel delivery, leading to drivability issues. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty MAF sensor, wiring and connector issues, air leaks, dirty air filter or sensor, PCM problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Mercedes-Benz S-Class models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.